product that you need for your locks is a satin bonnet. Something satin you need to have in your collection. What you saying, gals? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we live life the affordable way. My name is. Are you starting your lock journey in 2025 and you're looking to level up your lock routine? Today I'm going to give you the must-haves for your lock journey. Listen, every lock lover needs these products for a healthy and thriving journey. The first lock product that we're going to talk about today is a mist bottle. Listen, you need a mist bottle in your lock routine. Hydration is key for healthy locks. This bottle allows you to keep your locks hydrated by spraying on your locks, and reasons why we prefer a mist bottle over a spray bottle is because mists are very fine. So basically when this is spraying on your hair, let me show you an example. When this is going on your hair, it's basically going on your hair in the form of fine showers and not completely dampen your hair. However, it could dampen your hair if you use too much, but it will not have your hair extremely damp. And your locks need to be hydrated at all times, because if you don't have no hydration, listen, your locks will be dry and brittle. That's something you don't want. We promote healthy locks on this channel, so a mist bottle is needed. So a key tip, hydration locks are also prone to less breakage. Next up on a roster, oil. You have to have an oil, and I like to choose oil that has these little fine top. If I can't find oil that has this fine top, then I'll go in and purchase one of these bottles and put my oil inside of it. But this oil I've been trying is the black castor miracle oil. It's okay, but my preferred oil is Jamaican black castor oil. That just would work for me, and I normally pour it in a bottle just like this, and I oil my scalp. Now, oiling your scalp is very important because oiling helps your hair with dryness. It promotes healthy scalp. It seals in moisture. It's responsible for growth. Like, overall, oil is so good for your hair, and this is why we promote these two together, because you need these two. Like, now everybody has a different remedy for how they use their oil. Me, I spray, then I oil. Some people oil, then I spray, then I oil, because this is rosemary water, not rose water. But oil also keeps your hair looking nice and refreshed and shiny. Like, I don't like to see dry locks. Like, I just don't like to see dry locks. I like locks to be very vibrant, very healthy. Like, you can literally see the sign when you step out in the sun. That's how I like my locks to look. But to each its own on how your preferred lock style is, but I'm just telling you what I prefer. So yes, oil is needed in your routine. Now, if you need a recommendation for oils, I will link them down below. You have jojoba oil, you have castor oil, you have Jamaican black castor oil, you have olive oil, you have different oils that you can use to oil your scalp. Next up on the list is a gentle shampoo. This is the Botanical 5+3 Rosemary Shampoo. Gentle. When I say gentle, gentle. Your locks do not need no harsh shampoos, especially not in 2025 when there's so much different shampoos out that is extremely healthy. Harsh shampoos can make your locks strip of all the moisture that it has. A gentle residue free shampoo is all your locks need, literally. And not only does it take care of your scalp, but it also helps with buildup. It prevents buildup, because if it's gentle and if it's healthy, it's not going to stick in your locks. Remember, our locks hold products are something that you don't want in 2023, so just beware of that. Literally, when I use this shampoo and I wash my hair out, when I tell you my locks were so vibrant, so healthy, so clean, I love it. However, another shampoo that I can recommend is the Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil Shampoo. I hope I said it right, but if I'm not, I'll put it down below. And another shampoo, but not soap, that I use is the Dr. Bronner's tea peppermint soap. I use that as well. Those are shampoos that I use. I haven't used anything else, so that's what's just healthy. And if you're in the start lock stage, a gentle shampoo is needed. Next up is Loc Gel. Now, there are plenty stigmas on Loc gels. However, I am a girl who only use one particular gel. I have had bad experience when I first started my locks on Loc gels, and I talk about in my 1 year lock journey. But Loc gel is something that you do your research on, and not only do you do your research on Loc gel, you have to look for Loc gel that doesn't leave in your scalp, like something that's natural, something that agrees with your scalp, something that agrees with your hair. The Loc gel that I've used is the braid, lock and twist gel. This is from this is from African Bride, and this is their black castor miracle oil. Now y'all, I want y'all to peep this now, peep game. Y'all see how much product got black castor oil in it, because it just works. It works. I can't tell you a lie. But I've been using the African Pride products. Love it. It's good for me. However, there's another, I think it's a lock and gel that's out now that people are using that's very good. Also, you don't even need a gel. You can literally use oil and water. When I first started my locks, when I started retwisting my hair myself, I was using oil and water. That works just as good, just as clean, and you get the same results. So yes, oil and water. Next product that you need for your locks is a satin bonnet. Something satin you need to have in your collection. Listen, I swear by my bonnet. I swear by my bonnet. I need a bonnet on my head. This protects the locks. Your locks need protection. You gotta cover your locks, because if you don't cover your locks, you can get breakage. You can get frizz. Like, you're just protecting your locks from so much lint. You're protecting your locks. Like, I need a satin bonnet in my life. If I don't have this, at night I'm shuffling around. Either I'll use my boyfriend, what you call those, head scarf, what is those, but I know it's silk too. I use that if I'm not accessible to a bonnet, but my locks will be definitely covered at night. Like, it have to be. You gotta protect your lock at all costs. Our locks, like I always say, carries and holds product. You don't want your locks to hold no product. You don't want your locks to carry no lint. You don't want your locks to pick up whatever's put in the air. Like, you don't want it. So protect your lock at all. Something that has been a game changer when it comes to lock journey, when it comes to my lock journey, these big clips what they come out with. When I tell you this makes retwisting so much easier, listen, 5 locks can fit in this one clip. Even when I'm styling my hair, like sometimes I do a little touch up, I'm holding it, but these clips, like these, are literally a game changer. I only need about 6 of these in my hair when I'm retwisting. Some in the back, some in the front. Boom. Even if I'm putting curls in, some in the back, some in the front. Like, these has literally been a game changer. I just love how they can literally hold everything all in one. Like, I love it. I just love it. Is to inform that your locks have like a uniform look. You know, you can use it for holding, you can use it for if you're moisturizing, the locks are getting in the way. Like, you can just use it. Now, if you're somebody who's just starting and have like starter locks, then you can get the let me see if I have it. You can get the little clips if you're retwisting, and you can use these. But this game changer. I literally ordered a couple of these on Shein for like $1. My last but not least product is edge control. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I need y'all help with this one. Link a edge control down. It works in any better. But anyway, edge control. Y'all see my edges? Slayed. Okay, your girl edges are slayed. I love, love, love having sleek edges in my locks. I just love it. So edge control, I highly recommend, if you're a girl, to use a bit of edge control on your locks, and not your locks but on your sides, to get a nice little sleek look. Or you can just leave it freebie if you don't want no baby hairs or no edges. Like, it's up to you. It's up to you at the end of the day. But I love me some edge. Now, we cannot end this video without giving you 3 bonus tips. I want you to know, stay consistent with moisture. How your lock journey turns out depends on your routine. Stay consistent as you can with moisture, and allow your locks to flow and to bloom and be healthy. Your routine depends on you. Do what's best for you, what works for you. Now, for me, when I first started my locks, my moisture routine was 4 times per week. I didn't do it every day, but I would do it in between days just to make sure I get the moisture in. Another bonus tip that I'm going to give you is, after the 4-week mark has passed, wash your locks. There are many ways that you can wash your locks, and I have a video coming up next on how you can wash your locks and tips to washing your locks, but wash your locks. Just because you have locks does not mean you don't keep it clean, and not mean you cannot do anything. You can wash your locks in the start lock stage, and you should be washing your locks if you're in the mature stage. Remember what I say, use gentle shampoos and it will work out perfectly for you. This tip is always protect your locks while sleeping to avoid lint and to avoid breakage. Protect your locks, like it's so important and evident for your journey, because you don't want to have your locks, like even me, sometimes I look at my locks, I see a little white piece here and there, you know, that's a little questionable, you know. Locks while sleeping, like I know it's hard, like it's hard for everybody. Like I am 4 years in and it's still hard for me. So I mean, protect your locks while sleeping and do the best that you can, in other words. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what products do you use down below in the description, or products you was looking into buying. And if you're interested in lock journeys videos or lock videos, you need help, check out the playlist at the end of this video.